So, pick a winner muna tayo guys. Ayan, okay? Ayan, congrats po sa iyo Kuya RGB Kasawa. Isisend ko na po yung premium mo mamaya. So, what's up guys? Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So, ayan. Welcome to Power Station. Okay? Follow pa kayong account dito. Mag-register po tayo gamit ang ating mobile number at login password po dito. At please enter the captcha na lang po. Okay? So, tara na. Ano na po tayo dito. Mag-register. So, ayan po guys. No, nakapasok na po tayo dito sa kanilang main dashboard. So, ayan. Welcome to Power Station. Okay, new benefit guys. Promote an effective user to get 30 pesos. Ayan. So, pagpasok po natin dito guys, no, maka-get po tayo ng 20 pesos pa yan. Makikita po natin dito guys, no, naman tayong available balance na 1,270 yan. So, mag-register na po tayo dito guys as makakuha po tayo ng reward dito, okay? Ayan. Share your charging treasure, a charging treasure that will make money. Ayan, okay? So, ito po yung mga ano dito guys. Makikita po natin dito yung coin center nila kung saan mo sila mga STG01 dito, 100 days. Immediately dito guys, no? Ayan, napakalaki po yung mga expenses dito. Pero yung mga total income natin guys is napakalaki din, okay? If mag-income po kayo, mag-rental po kayo ng expenses na 500, yung total income natin everyday is 2,500. Then, sa ano naman guys, sa auto is 1,500, ang total income natin is 8,250. Okay, 100 days po yan. Okay guys, so yan, dito naman sa ibaba guys, makikita po natin dito yung balance center natin na 5,000 rental expenses is makakuha po tayo ng 45,000. Ayan, so napakalaki po dito guys, no? Ayan, kung gusto niyo guys, maganda na po kayo dito sa power station guys kasi napaka-legit. But guys, do research muna guys, no? Pag nag-ano po kayo dito, nag-invest. Okay, dito naman sa my leasing guys, is makikita po natin dito, you have not rented any investment product yet. So, kailangan po natin mag-rent dyan. So, kayo na pong bahala. Balik po kayo dito. At i-click po nyo yung immediately list. Okay? So, kung mag-rent kayo. Yan. Dito naman sa invitation link guys, invite friends to leasing, get extra rewards. Okay? So, if mag-invite na po tayo ng friends and family natin guys, is maka-earn po tayo ng extra money and extra income guys. Okay? So, ika-copy po natin yung link. Ayan. Copy to clipboard. Yan. Malis na mga invitation role dito guys na. Okay? Stable 5% po yan guys. 12% revenue a day. Okay? Is mag-invite po tayo ng friends dito guys everyday. Is ano po tayo dito. Maka-earn po tayo ng pera guys. So, every sign up natin guys or mag-register kayo, meron kayong 20 pesos cash. Okay? So, dito naman sa my team guys, is makikita po natin dito yung lahat ng na-invite natin. Ayan, ito yung total referral num, total promotion, daily referral number, daily promotion. Okay, team details guys. Ayan, ito po yun. Pakibasa na lang po yan guys. So, 30 pesos for each valid invitation number promotion. Okay? If nag-invite po tayo guys, may tayong 30 pesos dyan. Okay guys. So, ayan. So, dito naman sa mga guys, is makikita po natin dito. Ayan guys. Ayan. Kailangan po natin dito mag-recharge. Same po sa recharge guys. Gcash po yan guys. Nasa lang 500 to 50,000 guys. So, yan. Please enter amount. For example, is 500 yon. At ilalagay po niya sa Gcash. Ayan. And recharge immediately. Click lang yung recharge immediately. Try po natin yan guys, no? At didirekta po kayo dito guys. Ayan. Ilagay niyo po yun yung number niyo guys and click next. Okay? Ayan lang po guys. Napaka-basic guys. So dito naman sa withdrawal guys, is kailangan po natin i-withdraw po natin tong 1,270. Click po natin yung withdrawal. So, please enter withdrawal amount. For example, guys, no, is 1,270. Okay, recharge instruction. Withdrawal time is 24 hours with the auto. Okay, minimum withdrawal limit is 100. Maximum withdrawal limit is 50,000. Arrival time within 24 hours. There are no handling charges. Okay, so napakalaki na po dito. And no handling charges po ito, guys. So, click po natin yung withdraw. So, you need to bank a card for our withdrawal first. So, bank po natin yung account natin. Ayan. So, Gcash account muna natin, guys. Ayan. So, yung Gcash number nyo, paki-bound. Okay. Ayan. Then, click po natin yung submit. Ayan. Ano na po natin, nabawa na po natin yung account natin. So, need na po natin mag-withdraw po natin dito. Okay, so ayan, i-withdraw na po natin yan guys. So, maghintay lang po tayo guys, no? Ayan. So, try po natin check ulit. So, ayan. Click po natin yan ulit. 1, 2, 70. Click po natin yung withdrawal, guys. Ayan. We have this your request. Please wait. Okay. Maghintay lang po tayo saglit, guys, para ma-receive po natin yung withdraw natin. Ayan. Processing po yan, guys, no? At maghintay po tayo saglit. Okay? Ayan. And so, yun no, na-receive na po natin yung 1,270 sa ating GCash, okay? So, napaka-legit guys, mga ilang minuto lang po guys, na-receive na po natin yan. So, back po tayo dito sa, website nila. Okay, so success na po yan guys. Okay, success. Ayan, wala pang 24 hours, na-receive na po natin yan. So, ayan, kung ako sa inyo guys, no? Mag-ano na po kayo dito, mag-top up po tayo dito, but do research muna guys, okay? So yun lang po guys, no, dito lang po nagtatapos ang ating video guys, and I hope you will like it and I hope you will enjoy it, and ito po yung company profile nila guys, ayan. Believe in the best Hong Kong's #1 smartphone 5G way yan. Ito po yung company, company profile yan guys, okay? So ayan, kung meron silang guys no, smartphone, Facebook, Instagram at Twitter. If may mga katanungan kayo guys, just do contact na lang sa kanilang customer service. Ayan, ito po yung group nila, okay? So dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video guys, and have a good day guys. Okay, so